Bae Suji is a South Korean actress and singer. She was born in Buk District, Gwangju, South Korea on October 10, 1994. She was a member of the girl group Miss A under JYP Entertainment. She is the daughter of Bae Won Young and Jang Yeon Suk. She has an older sister and a younger brother. In March 2015, Bae's relationship with a fellow South Korean actor Lee Min-ho was confirmed. She attended School of Performing Arts Seoul and graduated in 2013. Before debuting, she was an online shopping model. She fell in love with music quite early on in her life and listened to everything, from classical Korean music to Western tunes. In 2020, Suji is set to star in the drama Startup as an aspiring businesswoman. On March 31, 2019, Suji left JYP Entertainment following the expiration of her contract. She then signed a contract with Acting Agency Management (SOOP). She then starred in the spy action drama Vagabond, playing a secret agent, and action film Ashfall, playing the role of Ha Young-woo's wife. In early 2018, it was announced that Suji would make her comeback in late January. On January 22, Suji released her pre-release track entitled In Love with Someone Else, which achieved a real-time all-kill. In early 2017, Suji made her debut as a solo artist with the album titled Yes or No. Her pre-release single Pretend was released on January 17 and achieved an all-kill on music charts. In January 2016, Suji released a digital single titled Dream with Exos Baekhyun. The song debuted at number 1 on Gaon's weekly digital chart and proceeded to win the Best Collaboration Award at the Net Asian Music Awards. In 2013, she starred in the historical fusion drama Go Family Book alongside Lee Seung-ji. She received acting recognition at the MBC Drama Awards, winning the Top Excellence Award, and at the Seoul International Drama Awards, winning the Outstanding Actress Award. In May 2014, Suji was cast in the film The Sound of a Flower as Jin Se-sun, Korea's first female pansori singer. The same year, Suji collaborated with Taiwanese singer-actor Sho Lo in the single Together in Love, featured in his album reality show. She is also the first Korean female celebrity to win a Singer Rookie Award, Drama Rookie Award, Film Rookie Award, and Variety Rookie Award. She received the Best New Actress Award at the 48th Baeksang Arts Award for her acting performance in Architecture 101. On December 22, 2012, Suji won the Best Newcomer Award in the Variety category at the KBS Entertainment Awards for her stint in Invincible Youth 2. Suji made her film debut with Architecture 101, playing the younger version of the female protagonist. Architecture 101 was one of the 10 most watched films in Korea in the first quarter of 2012.